Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Kinder Bueno brownies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, place your butter into a heat-proof bowl and melt that in the microwave. Then go ahead and add in your sugar and whisk the two together until they are fully combined. You can then go ahead and add in the cocoa powder and whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. The mixture should become smooth and glossy. Once you've got that to that consistency, you can go ahead and add in your eggs and vanilla and just whisk these in until it's fully incorporated. It should become even smoother and glossier. Then go ahead and add in the dry ingredient, which is your flour and your chocolate chips, and fold these in by hand just until a clear brownie batter is formed, being careful not to over mix at this stage. Then grab your lined baking tin. I'm using a 9x9, which is the perfect size for these brownies, and then pour around half of the brownie batter into that and spread and level it out until you've got one consistent layer. Then you can top this with a generous amount of Kinder Bueno. I'm using the standard chocolate ones, but feel free to use the white chocolate ones if you'd really like. And then just create layers as close as possible, leaving a tiny little gap so the brownie batter will sink in between them. And again, you might need to break some up to get the perfect amount, but again, you'll play and work it out as I have here. Just get as many in there as possible. That's what you're looking for. You want as much Kinder Bueno in there as humanly possible. Then add the remainder of the brownie batter on top of the Kinder Bueno and spread and level it out just until you've got a consistent layer. It may not look like a lot, but trust me, there's more than enough there. Then to add just some more flavour, I'm using this white chocolate hazelnut spread and I placed random dollops on top. I went with 5 of this and then I went with 4 or 5 dollops of the Nutella, which will also work really well as it just ties in with that hazelnut flavour. And trust me, you cannot get enough hazelnut. Add your dollops on and then just take a butter knife and swirl it all around until you've got a pretty pattern which you are happy with. Don't forget to then sprinkle over a generous amount of chopped and roasted or toasted hazelnuts and use as many or as few as you'd really like. Then bake and then slice them up. Here are what mine look like the following day. I did this in the morning, but feel free to do it whenever. I cut mine into 8 very generous portions. These could be cut into 16 very easily. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. So don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.